Well, welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. It's a couple days after Christmas. All the hoopla is over and decorations are still up, but for the most part, we're just kind of relaxing now and just chilling and enjoying family and no big plans. Nothing has to be done, right? So, for supper tonight, I'm gonna make some meatloaf, and I don't know if I've done this with y'all or not. I probably have, but we're gonna do it again. Okay? We've got a lot of new subscribers in the last month, so maybe they've not seen the meatloaf, right? All right, I put my ground beef in there, hamburger meat as we call it, and I'm gonna go in there with some celery. About like that. I do not measure, I just dump. I'm gonna have to get me some peppers out of the refrigerator and get them chopped up. The pepper bag's getting low. I want that big chunk of ice. Make my meatloaf watery, won't it? All right, there's some peppers. Now everything needs an onion. Got us some onions. Now then, I'll put this over here and get it out of the way and get it ready to go back in the freezer. All right. Now, in my meatloaf, I add an egg. 1 egg, 1 can of tomato paste, this is a small can of tomato paste, and some breadcrumbs, and I make my own breadcrumbs. Take stale bread, dehydrate it in the oven, stick it in the food processor, breadcrumbs. And now to season it, I use this Knorr. The label's off of it, I know, because when I ordered it from Sam's, it came with some dish detergent, and the dish detergent leaked, but this was fine. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this Knorr beef bouillon. That's our seasoning. Okay? Did y'all see all that? Hamburger meat, celery, onions, peppers, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, 1 small can of tomato paste, and 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Now then, I'm going to get me something here to kind of mix it up a little bit. I should have gotten out a bigger bowl, but you know what? I did not. Try and chop up these frozen vegetables so they'll get equally distributed. And all this. I am going to get me a bigger bowl so I can get my hands in there. Now, this is better. kind of get in there with the hand. I hate to do it because it's cold, but you know what? I'm going to have to. This is the only way to really mix up a meatloaf. Just get in there with your hand. Just like this. My pan, I'm gonna put it in. Just gonna mash it out like this right here. I know I did a bacon wrapped meatloaf with y'all one time. This is just gonna be plain meatloaf. I'm not gonna wrap it in bacon. We're just gonna do a family may get mad, but you know. Tonight we're just doing old-fashioned meatloaf like my mama used to make. And this is the way mama used to make it, not like this. Had to warm up my hands, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna put this in a 350-degree oven till it gets done in the middle. I'll be back. Okay, to go with our meatloaf, I just cut us some potatoes, peeled them, sliced them in two, put some butter on them. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on them, pop them in the oven too. And I'll be back when all this is done. Okay, our supper's ready. Meatloaf and potatoes. There's our meatloaf. There's our potatoes. Doesn't that look yummy? Just checked it. It's all done. Everything's done. We're going to go over and sit down and eat our supper. You all remember, as always, this is a short video, I'm sure, because it did not take me any time to whip this up. You can also cook this meatloaf in a slow cooker and the potatoes in a slow cooker if that's what you want to do. You don't have to use an oven. But I did. So you all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.